Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to change YouTube username on mobile. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the YouTube application on your Android and iOS and make sure that it is up to date. And then you need to tap on your profile image at the top right here, and then you need to tap on your channel here, and here you can see this pencil icon, so just tap on it, and under your name here we have this new option which is the handle option. So instead of a username, so YouTube introduces handle. So this is a YouTube username. So if you wanted to change it, just tap on the pencil icon next to it, and then from here you can change it, and you can change your handle back within 14 days. This becomes your channel URL. Handle can be changed twice every 14 days. Okay, so you can basically change your username every like two times in every 2 weeks. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.